Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix navigation controls not working on Samsung. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your Samsung Galaxy phone and open the Settings app. You can find it either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Look for the gear-shaped icon. That's the one. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on the Display option. This will open a new menu where you can adjust screen-related settings. Step 3. From the Display menu, scroll down and locate the Navigation bar option. Tap on it. Here, you can customize your navigation controls. But if they're not working, no worries. Just move to the next step. Step 4. Now go back to the main Settings menu. Tap on the search bar at the top and type Transparent Navigation Bar and make sure to enable Developer Mode. Select the search result that appears. Step 5. From the menu that opens, tap on the option again and make sure to disable this feature. Sometimes this setting can interfere with your navigation controls. Step 6. Next, go back to the main Settings menu, scroll down and find Software Information. Tap on it, then select Software Update. Wait a few seconds. If an update is available, install it to ensure your phone runs smoothly. Step 7. Finally, go back to your home screen and restart your phone. This simple step can often resolve the issue, and your navigation controls should start working again. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.